World Evangelical Alliance.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. The World Evangelical Alliance would like to bring to the Council's attention the deteriorating situation of religious minorities in India. In July 2024, the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly amended its 2021 anti-conversion law by making its provisions more stringent. The new Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Amendment Bill introduced higher fines and increased the maximum punishment from the previous 10 years to life imprisonment for severe offences. The Uttar Pradesh, since the anti-conversion law was passed in 2021, there have been at least 321 cases against Christians. Unlike the previous law, which allows only aggrieved persons or their close relatives to file complaints, the new bill permits any person to lodge a first information report regarding unlawful conversions. We urge the government of India to advise states to repeal their anti-conversion laws, including in Uttar Pradesh. These laws are in violation of India's constitutional guarantees. We also call on India to foster interreligious harmony as the key to a peaceful, pluralistic society. I thank you.